Hey guys, welcome back to our next video. In today's video, we're gonna do a blend mix or a spice mix, and these are the herbs we're gonna use inside of it. So we have the bell pepper, also called sweet pepper. We have onion, we have hot pepper, the hot pepper is also called Scotch bonnet. We have the vinegar, we have thyme, we have scallion. Stay tuned, guys. Remember your garlic. Okay, I like using the vinegar because it's an enhancer. It brings out the flavor in the mixture or in the mix. You can use water, but if you use like the water, you have to add like salt or maybe some powder seasoning to it. Stay tuned for the action. Okay guys, now we're gonna wash our herbs. For the magic. You can use this marination on all your meats. Aroma really amazing. Look at that beauty. Now we're gonna store it in these containers. One for everybody, okay? Cheers. Okay guys, we are at the end of the video. I hope you like this one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a next friend. Just pass it on guys.